Hello students, welcome to the class. I'm Yogita. Our subject is CNET Nursing Education for Nurses, and today we are going to learn about agencies of education and principle. Now let us discuss about agencies of education. Now basically people believe that children get educated only in schools and colleges. It's not true all the time. It's not that like only in the school children are getting the education or learning. Learning can take place anywhere, anytime. Maybe in the family, community, market, society, social situations. We can get certain information and knowledge. Now what are the sources that you are going to get the information and knowledge? That is called as educational agencies. Now agencies are nothing but which is a source of information which provide you an opportunity to learn something. That is what called agencies of education. Next is a classification of educational agencies. Now mainly three classification we can see: first classification, second classification, third classification. Under first classification, formal and informal agencies. Now formal agencies are like a school, colleges, educational institution where you are following certain rules and regulation, timing, syllabus, curriculum, and you are learning something. Informal education agencies are like home, community setting, free play, market, exhibition. You're going to watch some film, theater show, you're learning something. This is called informal agency of education. And the second classification here, active and passive agencies. Now active agencies are like school, colleges, community, religion, state, a social club, organizational games, entertainment programs. And the passive agencies are like TV, radio, newspaper, magazines, dramas. See, such things are passive. Indirectly, it will provide you an opportunity to learn something. Next is third classification. Third classification is commercial agencies and non-commercial agencies. Now, commercial agencies are definitely they want to make certain influence in your behavior, nature, and everything so that it is recommended for something. They are going to get some added benefit because of that. Now, such agencies are TV, radio, camera, cinemas, club, theater, newspaper, press. Now, non-commercial agencies, it is formed because of some social good cause. They don't have any tendency to make money, get the name and fame, but only for the good reason. Such things have come up, like Scouts and Guides, youth club, social agencies, sports club, social welfare, and youth welfare, adult education centers. Such programs, such centers are helpful for the society. So this is called agencies of education. We'll study about now principle of education. Now the principle of education is pervasive, education is goal oriented, education is multidisciplinary, education is a continuous process, education is modification of behavior, education is flexible, education for all the age group, education is a group activity, education is dynamic, education is science and art. So these all are the important principle of education. Now education is process. That means it is from birth to death, lifelong process. You are learning each day from the birth till adulthood, the maturity till death. Each day we are learning something. That's why it's called as a social process, which include student, teacher, and your social environment, which is really essential. Education is pervasive. That means it is not only for today you are learning. Whatever you're learning, you're making a scientific application of that knowledge in your life to solve your certain life problems. So education is really important. Education, it brings a modification in your behavior. Definitely education will help you to improve your behavior, remove certain bad behaviors, and cultivate certain good qualities in your life. Education is flexible. We cannot make a rigid or structured forms of education. It's flexible according to your need. You are able to pursue your education. Education is goal oriented. Now, this education which help the individual to meet the goal of their life. Each and every individual may have different desires, goals, aims in their life, and this education will help to reach that. Education is for all the age group. We can see pre-primary, primary, secondary education, higher secondary education, degree, master degree. See, because of this, now all the age group people they can pursue this formal education. Education is social activity. One single person, it's not activity. There will be two people or more than two people. They'll interact each other. It's a continuous process, continuous communication process between teacher and student. It's a group activity where you are learning the quality of being in a group and learning something. Education is science and art. Here you are learning something technically, something skillful, something scientifically, and art because you are practicing that, you are doing it, you are cultivating certain soft skills within you. It's only because of education. Education is a dynamic process. As how I said, it's a lifelong we are learning. We are taking all opportunity of our life every day to day's activity, a situation which provide us an opportunity to learn something. So this is what called a principle of education. So dear students, I hope you understood. We learned important two concepts. You can expect this for 5 marks question. Agency of education and principle. I am going to summarize. The agency of education is mainly three agency. First, second, third classification. In first classification, formal and informal agency. Second classification, we are having active and passive agency. Third classification, we are having commercial and non-commercial agency. And the principle of education, we are having some principles like a principle education is a pervasive, education is goal oriented, education is manipulating modification of behavior, education is flexible, education is a social process, education for all the age group, education is a social activity, education is dynamic, education is science and art. See, these all are the principle of education, and you can write this answer for your question. And please keep watching. We are going to learn some more concept. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care of yourself and thank you all.